So if you guys didn't watch my live stream for the most recent video, I did actually buy a flannel, the brown colorway. I've been waiting a long time for this. It has been almost like 2 weeks, but that being said, I think it arrived to its correct destination the following Thursday after I ordered it, which is super fast. If you guys know revenge shipping, sometimes they go from like 2 weeks to 2 months. It's pretty all over the place, but it seems like for the most part people are receiving all their items by now. I know a lot of people were waiting on the lightning hoodies and tees, I want to say, and I've been seeing pictures of people receiving the hoodies. So anyway, if you watched that live stream I was talking about, I had 2 friends visiting and it was kind of hectic. I was trying to keep up with all the comments and I didn't want to have to worry about like accidentally showing my information, so I copped on my phone instead, and the details on my phone are way out of date because I never use my phone. I always like cop on a laptop. So it actually ended up going to my mom's address back in Wisconsin. I'm over here in Missouri. So it showed up there and then I had to wait for them to ship it. So here it is. This is the unboxing for the Revenge Motion logo zip flannel. I got no idea what they actually called it. I got it in the brown colorway. Double packaged or double boxed. So, Jesus, tape sticky. Towards myself. This box is thrashed. Alright, shout out my dad. He knows I love these. Came in clutch. Also, we're in quarantine, so like I've been just like eating a shit ton of Takis and cheddar jalapeno Cheetos. So I don't know if these were exactly needed, but they're appreciated. That's funny to see. And then anyway, here it is. Here's the package. It's funny. My mom sent it to my dad to be delivered, and I don't know if they like it's funny because they packaged it in the box, but they also wrote my address over this packaging, which they put inside. I don't know, overkill. Anyway, they've been saying, or I've been seeing on Reddit and things like that, I think it was just Reddit, that people aren't getting stickers with their orders. So I guess we'll see if we get a sticker or not with this. There it is. And sticker check. Nah, no stickers. You know, I'm actually not disappointed. I think the stickers are kind of whack. The ones I've gotten anyway, I don't know if there are any revenge stickers that I really care for. They're just kind of like low quality and not very creative, which some people might say about the brand in general. But here we have the flannel, which is actually way lighter than I thought it would be. But I guess that falls in line with the rest of their Motion logo stuff, because the Motion logo long sleeves, if you do not have one, or you have not like talked to somebody with one, they're also very thin. So this falls in line there. And you know, I guess it is a California brand, so make a flannel, make it thin. But I want to say the other ones were kind of thick. But anyway, we got, of course, this is a zip flannel, kind of interesting. I did go ahead and get it in the extra large size because I know Revenge usually fits small, so I went ahead and got an XL, and I'm gonna try this on and I'll be right back. If only Alex could see me now. I feel like I'm definitely looking the part of a Hispanic, or a stereotypical Hispanic. Anyway, the fit is very small for an extra large. Like width-wise, they always have it right. Width wise, you know, like if you're a chubbier dude, I feel like their sizes are always on par with how the sizing should be. But length wise, I feel like Revenge is always just like kind of off. Like extra large, the sleeves should be like pretty long. They fit pretty normal. Like the sleeves are a good length for me. Torso definitely feels a little short. For an XL anyway, I think the fit is fine for what I am right now. But yeah, and then also, this is just like probably the strangest flannel blank I've ever owned or seen anyway, because it's super thin, and then also on the inside you have like these weird like overlapping of the fabric, and you can also just feel the fabric. Like it's just a strange fabric. I don't know, man. I don't think these blanks are anywhere near what they should be charging. Like for how much they did charge, you should get like a really nice material, which I guess, you know, the embroidery adds a little bit to it. But man, this front embroidery is trash. This front embroidery is a joke. Like I'll do some close-ups later, but yeah, front embroidery is a joke. I like the back embroidery, that's nice, but super thin flannel, strange fit. The zipper looks pretty cheap. You know, it doesn't look like a super high quality zipper. Hopefully that doesn't break or anything. But yeah, overall, like definitely not worth the price they're charging for this blank. But am I upset about it? No, I got extra money to spend. You'll see with the upcoming unboxings. So there you go. The fit is pretty weird, but overall I'm happy with the purchase. I just would like to see them do like some regular flannels, you know. I've seen FTP do flannels like this. I'm not sure what the blank was like, but I've seen them do the zip flannels where they're like $80. I'll say this one was like $128, which is just super high. You know, this one does have the back embroidery, but what, you gonna charge like $48 for the embroidery on the back? Nah. But I'm sure you guys here know how much I love flannels, and you guys know how much I was anticipating the black and red flannel with the ARC logo on the back, and that one was like $158. I saw that, I was like, no. But I'd passed on so many flannels to this point where I was like, I need to get one. And I do really like the Motion logo. I like this colorway, the brown, and like I said, I love flannels, so I was like, I gotta get one eventually. So I decided to get this one. But it would have been interesting to see the black and red one, because I want to say those were thicker blanks. But yeah, cool piece. I wouldn't pay resale for it, definitely. I don't know if like I'd recommend paying retail for it either. Maybe just find another cool flannel. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from the drop, your thoughts on the drop or Revenge, anything, you know, just drop a comment. I'll respond. As always, you guys always kind of like meme that almost. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. We have our new plaque up here. The official YouTube 1,000 subscribers plaque. But if you guys are not aware, we are doing a giveaway, and I'm actually giving away a Chief Keef mugshot tee and then a Born and Raised tee. Chief Keef is large, Born and Raised is small tee. I think they're both pretty cool. But if you guys did not know about that, I'll leave a link to the giveaway video in the description, where I actually go over all the details, so you guys can go check that out and get yourself entered if you're not already. But I'm finally heading out. I'm gonna go, well, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm under quarantine like everybody else, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably edit this video and another unboxing I filmed, but I'm going to leave you guys. That's what I'm saying. I hope your quarantines are going well. That's about it, man. These are dark days. No, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content.
Some remember that.